my name's Lisa Catto and I'm a HighLevel certified admin. In this video I'm going to walk you through how you can see how many minutes or percentage there has been watched of a video in your landing page. The first thing that's important to note is that inside of your landing page, this needs to be a hosted video. So this technique is going to work if it's hosted, not if you've done it with Vimeo or YouTube or Wistia. So make sure that your video is uploaded into your landing page. Now we're going to head over to automations and we're going to add a new trigger. This is going to be the video tracking trigger. So if I just start putting in tracking, that will come up. I'm now going to make sure that I select that video from the list. So this video selected here matches the video in the page that I want to measure. Now you can trigger this straight away off a specific percentage of the video. Now checking my video here, we can see that this has got 1 minute 27 on it. So, video duration, I can set this automatically to trigger as soon as somebody has watched, let's say, greater than 10%. You might want to investigate the other options as well for your trigger, such as if it is a specific funnel. So there's a number of options here that you can use. So if you have, let's say, a longer video and you want to measure the percentage, what you will want to do is have the trigger kicking off as soon as somebody starts watching the video. You'll then want to wait for the duration of the video. So I'm going to put in here, let's say, waits for 2 minutes. That's longer than the duration of the video that I've chosen for this workflow. And making sure that the workflow is saved, I'm now going to put in an if-else statement, and I'm going to select that the video tracking duration of the video that I have selected, that's the video, and so you could have done this at trigger level, but this is going to give us the opportunity to do different percentages. So if the video duration is greater than or equal to 10%, is greater than or equal to 10%. So I'm going to name this branch 10%. It's going to come down here and I'm just going to duplicate this branch. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to do is between, i.e. greater than 11%, or equal to 20%, and so on you go until you have all the percentages that you want. So this is going to be 21, this is going to be 30, and then duplicate again, and so on until you have all of them. When you save, it will pop you back out to the workflow. You can see here I've named all the branches, so it's super easy to find them. Now I'm going to add in a tag so that I know to find these people. So here I am adding in a tag, and I've got here the name of my workflow, activity, video watch, activity being behaviour, 10%. There we are. So that is now, so that will now apply this tag when somebody has watched 10% of the video. And I'm going to apply a similar tag, copying and pasting that over, and I'm going to say this one is, so it's going to be 10 to 20% on this one, add new tag, and this one's going to be 20 to 30%, and so on. There we go. You can also, if you wanted to, add this to another workflow if you're going to trigger something off the back of it. And obviously add a tag or a task or anything else that you want to action based off the percentage watched of your video. So there we go. We've got the video tracking, making sure it's the correct video that is selected. We're waiting for the duration of the video, and then we are putting in conditions based off how much they have watched percentage-wise, and then we're applying tags or actions using the if-else.